Today, we'll explore NASA's biggest space discoveries of 2026 that are changing the way we see the universe. Beta Pictoris d. One of the most fascinating discoveries of 2026 came from the most powerful space telescope ever built, the James Webb Space Telescope. Around 63 light-years away from Earth lies a famous young star system called Beta Pictoris. Scientists have studied this system for decades because it is a perfect laboratory for understanding how planets are born. Before 2026, researchers already knew about two giant planets orbiting this star. But then, James Webb revealed something unexpected. Hidden deep inside the system was another massive planet, Beta Pictoris d. The incredible part? This planet was not easy to see. The bright light from its parent star and surrounding dust made it almost invisible. But Webb's advanced instruments detected the planet by studying the light and chemical fingerprints coming from the system. This discovery transformed Beta Pictoris into one of the rare planetary systems known to contain three directly observed planets. And it showed scientists something important. The universe may be filled with hidden worlds waiting for the right technology to reveal them. Imagine looking at 80 million stars and discovering thousands of possible new planets hiding among them. That is exactly what scientists achieved using data from NASA's TESS mission. The Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite has been scanning the skies, searching for tiny changes in starlight that reveal planets passing in front of their stars. By combining old and new TESS observations, researchers identified more than 10,000 potential exoplanet candidates. Now, not every candidate will become a confirmed planet. Scientists must carefully study each one. But these discoveries suggest something incredible. The Milky Way may contain billions of planets. Some could be rocky worlds like Earth. Some could be giant gas planets. And some may have conditions we have never imagined before. Every object in our solar system has a story. But what if something came from somewhere else? What if a visitor traveled across the darkness of space from another star system and entered our neighborhood? That is what makes 3I/Atlas so special. This interstellar comet did not originate around our sun. It came from beyond our solar system. When NASA's James Webb Space Telescope studied this mysterious object, scientists detected important molecules inside its glowing cloud of gas and dust, including water, carbon dioxide, and methane. The discovery of methane was especially interesting because it gives scientists a rare opportunity. For the first time, we can study the chemistry of material that formed around another star. 3I/Atlas is like a cosmic message sent from another planetary system, carrying clues about worlds we may never be able to visit. Not every planet is like Earth. Some worlds discovered in our galaxy seem almost impossible. Scientists have found extremely low-density planets known as puffy planets. These planets are huge, but surprisingly lightweight. Their atmosphere can expand to enormous sizes, making them look like giant clouds floating in space. Because of their unusual structure, scientists often compare them to cotton candy. But these strange worlds are not just interesting because they are unusual. They help researchers understand how planets form and how different a planet can become depending on its environment. The universe does not create planets using one simple formula. It creates endless variations. Most of the planets we have discovered orbit single stars, but many stars in our galaxy are not alone. They exist in pairs, called binary star systems. Finding planets around these systems is extremely difficult. Why? Because two stars create complicated patterns of light that can hide the tiny signals of orbiting planets. However, scientists have developed new methods using NASA's TESS eclipse data. These techniques allow researchers to search for planets that were previously almost impossible to detect. This could open the door to discovering thousands of new worlds in the future. The discoveries of 2026 remind us of one simple truth. The universe is far bigger and stranger than we ever imagined. Subscribe to Space Naxis for more incredible stories from the universe.